Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. And then in this tutorial video guys, we will create a C++ program that will ask the user to give a number, and then our program will determine what is the first and then the last number in a given series of numbers in C++ programming language. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and subscribers in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos, your comment, your likes, and most importantly by subscription to my channel. So let's begin. So basically I'm using dev C++ in writing this program. So we have here sharp include iostream. So every C++ there is a library file called iostream for input output, and then we have here several comments. The file name is first underscore last.cpp. The double slash is a comment symbol in C++, written by yours truly, Jake Rodriguez, Pomperada, IT, MIT. And then I have two websites where you can visit and download free source code. The first one is jakerpomperada.com, and then the second one is jakerpomperada.blogspot.com. And then currently guys, I'm accepting computer programming jobs, software development, IT consultancy, IT support, system analysis and design, technical writing, web development. You can reach me at my personal email address, jakerpomperada@gmail.com. Quality service at a very affordable cost. And then my location is Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, Philippines. And then the time that I wrote this program or date is April 16, 2022, 7:03 AM Saturday here in the Philippines. So we have here int main. It is a function in every C++ program. What the main function means that when we run our program rather, it is the first command that is being executed by C++ compiler. The same thing when we terminate our program. And then we have here begin, and then I have two variables, int num underscore val equals 0, and then last. All of them has a data type of integer. When we say integer, it refers to a data type that is whole number, positive and negative whole number, no decimal places. Okay, we have here std out, new line, std cout, title \t, first and last number in C#, std console out, new line, std out, give any number. It will be stored in our variable num underscore val, last equals num underscore val modulus 10, while num underscore val greater than 10, num underscore val equals num underscore val over 10. So the last number checking, we have here the first the first digit is the num val here to display, and then the last number, it will be the last. Okay, so checking for divisible by 10, and then new line, and then end a program which informs the user that the program has been in the new line, and then we close. Don't worry guys, because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. Let us compile and run. First and last number in C#, give any number, let's say 7823. The first digit is 7, the last digit is 3, and a program. Another example, 2 3 4 5. The first digit is 2, the last digit is 5, and a program. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on first and last number in C#, in C++, not C#, sorry, in C++ programming language. Thank you so much for watching guys. I hope that you have learned in this tutorial video. If you do like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. Okay, so last number 1920, the first digit is 1, and then the last digit is 0, and a program. Okay, so see you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.